Hey everyone, this is Miss Fazio. I'm the new ESL instructor at Roberto Clemente School for grades 3 and 4 this year. And I want to say welcome back. I'm looking forward to working with all students, not just the ESL students, but also students who just need an extra hands with vocabulary and writing and reading and all that good stuff, ELA stuff. So anyway, I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, and this is a very unusual year. We're going remote. As most of you remember, we ended our year like that last year. And even though it's kind of scary starting remote, we can do it. So I look forward to meeting all of you soon, and looking forward to looking at your writing and helping you to increase your overall acquisition of English. So get ready, because we're about to rock and roll.